back to Favorite Things. This time we're doing another unboxing. And obviously it's another eBay purchase. And this time it's a true box, so we can call it an unboxing. And I'm gonna start here. Okay. Very sticky. Okay, here we go. Got a 91 millimeter. All right. So what do we have here? This is a 5-layer and corkscrew, fluted corkscrew. This is a model called the Outdoorsman-Original. And this is basically a Ranger with a couple, it's got a couple of interesting tools. That's why I got it. So let's start with the standard opening layer. Okay, so looks like we don't have the 90-degree stop. And we've got the standard opening layer there. We've got the scissors, which need a little cleaning up, but interesting curve there on this one. Yeah, this is the non-slotted scissor. Works very well. It's got the slotted screw instead of the rivet. And the next tool is our first of specialty tools. This is the wood saw. So we got our wood saw there. It's got appears that it's the brushed surface kind. It's had some wear. Still feels pretty sharp though. Next is the metal saw. Right here. Frog in the throat. This metal saw looks like it's in very good condition. It's the older type. And it's got the nail cleaner at the tip and the thumb nick. But yeah, this one looks like it's in very good condition. Minimal amount of rust. All right. Then we've got the fully serrated main blade and the tang stamp. Let's zoom in there here and just take a look. Looks like we've got the cross is touching, which means that it's from 76 to 86. And yeah, feels reasonably sharp. And this is what the main attraction is my consideration. It's the pruning blade or hawkbill blade. Getting pretty rare to see these. You can find this on the Harvester or the ALOC Swiss Army 7. Also the Picnicker, and you don't see this often. So, pruning blade, very cool. It's been used a little bit. Still has an edge, but yeah. And then we've got, like I said, we've got the fluted corkscrew. Of course, no pinhole there. 4-turn corkscrew. And yeah, you know what? Look at that. It's so common to see these things bent. It's bent out a little. Just a little bit. I might just tweak this just to get this in a little bit. Anyway, some blank slots here. There was no hook until much later. And so then we're going to have the reamer all without the sewing eye. And then that's about it. We got the key ring, you got the tweezers, and you've got the toothpick, which I usually will change out. God knows what happened, you know, what kind of things that I've seen. And then there's a little chip here on the Celador scale next to the toothpick, but I'm not too worried. So there it is, the original Outdoorsman. Not an everyday carry, but something interesting, something to look at. Kind of a cool tool set. This is in reasonably good condition. It's been used, but not abused. And with the magic of editing, we have repaired the corkscrew, bent it back, using the trick I learned on YouTube, where you put a nail in here to support the coils of the corkscrew, and one plier down here, and then the second plier here to bend it back. And yeah, seems to work. Did the trick. Normally I put these in a soapy water bath, but you know what? This is looking pretty clean, and the tools function very well, opening and closing. So I think I might hold off on that for now. It's actually looking pretty good. Yeah, the Outdoorsman Original. Thanks for watching.